Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Today we're going to go over fixing your window on your Mark IV when it falls off the regulator. I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. Let's key up, make sure the radio is off, and let's turn you around. You can hear the window going up and down, but it's not actually attached. So we'll show you how to fix that. To start off with, I believe this is all you're gonna need. Either a ratchet or a 1/4" impact, however you feel like doing it. I'm gonna do that because it's quicker. 10 mil extension, Phillips T20, small pick or small screwdriver, something to pop some plastic clips and stuff, however you like to do that. So to start, open the door, pick that out of there. This is just my beater, so I'm not gonna be all that careful. Give this a tug, get it out of there. And you can unplug it. There's a little tab there you gotta push. Unplug that. Throw that out of the way. Grab your T20. And along the bottom here, there's 2 or 3 T20s. So we'll undo those. I mean, if you have a Torx bit for your drill or whatever, it'll save you a couple of seconds. I think that's it. So there's 3 under there. Put them in a safe spot. Then come back. Have your Phillips. There's 3, 1, 2, 3. Take those out. There, sometimes, depending on how many times your door's been off, there's a little Phillips right there too, so you got to get that out. We'll get that out and be right back. All right, so once you have all the screws out, you can kind of get something in here to pry this back, or you can just grab this and give it a little tug. It'll start coming off. I use my knee to hold the door. Once you get all the clips out, you can lift the door off, the door panel off. And once you get the door panel off, there is the, where are you here, cable for the door latch right here that you have to get off. It's a little hard to see, but you just unhook it. Nothing too crazy. There's a connector up here if you have power windows. Just push the little tab. You can find it with your finger. Unplug that. And then you can get this thing. I'm gonna have to put you down to get that cable out of there. It sits in that little groove, hooks in there. Just get it out. Down here you gotta unplug this connector, which is kind of a pain in the ass. The bottom little clip is at the bottom there. It's hard to get your fingers in there. I'll get that with a screwdriver after. Then you got a couple of connectors over here. Push the little tab, pull them out. Oops. Where you can do what I just did there and break it. Break it some more, that's cool. Show all little tabs, get them all out. Like I said, this one. And then this, I usually just leave, but you can unplug it here. Whatever's gonna work for you. Alrighty, once you have your panel all the way off here, should be a plug here, but whoever owned this thing before left it out when they did whatever they did. This thing, I'm pretty sure, had a stereo of some sort in it because these speaker attachments are all mangled and there's some bullshit screwed in there. But regardless, be a plug similar to this one. Pull her down, give you an opening in there, and you can actually, before you do that, you're gonna need your power window switch plugged back in. So we need to grab that and plug her back in here. So you're gonna have to be putting it up and down. Now you can key up, and what you want to do is bring the window down. Nope, not that far. You want to get the window where you can see it and get at the fastener. So there and there. You might have to move it to get at it in both spots, but that's where you need it. And then grab your T20, I believe. Nope, it's bigger. Give me 1 second. Here, T27. You can get in there and loosen that off. All right, I'll put you down while I get those loose. Lower it down a little bit more so you can see the top of it. Remember, I said loose. Don't fully remove the bolt or the backside will fall off and you'll be removing the whole assembly to get in there to get it, and that's just a lot of extra work that you don't need to do. Now, something I like to do when I'm at this point, because it's just kind of rubber and it gets all dirty, as you can see in there, it's dusty and dirty, whatever. I like to put a little bit of silicone in here so that when the window goes back in its slot, it just has a little bit of extra something helping hold it. So I put just a little bit in there and in that one. And then we'll be back once I do that because I need 2 hands to do that part. Okay, so if you look in there, you can see just a little bit, nothing crazy. Now, once you got that done, let's see if I can position you guys somewhere that you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. Okay, so now you're gonna wanna grab your window carefully and get it going down a bit so you can hold it by the top, and then you can come down in here and you just slide her back into place. And you just want to make sure that it is in its slot there. Make sure it's in both slots and you didn't miss. Then you can go up to the point where you can see the fasteners. And then once that one's up high enough, we'll get it. We can reach both of them. Make sure you can see them. Then we'll tighten up the fasteners. You get them nice and tight. Don't strip it like I'm stripping it right now. 1 and 2. All right. And once you have them tight, you can test your window. All right, so once you've tested your window, goes up and down like it should, you're done. All you gotta do is put it back together. I don't think I need to show you how to put it back together. Just the reverse of taking it apart. Hope this helps somebody or saves them from trying to figure it out themselves. They can kind of just see ahead of time and they know the tools and all that they need before they start the job and they don't get part way and realize they're missing something. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, leave a comment if you want. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll help out as best I can. And if you like this stuff and the other stuff we're doing, subscribe and you can keep up to date with everything else we got going on. It's still wintertime here, unfortunately, so we'll be getting on to our nicer, better cars, not just silly daily driver work over the winter, because I don't really have the room to be pulling my other car in and out and all that through the winter. So again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.